We are conducting company specific training to our students. We are conducting campus recruitment trainings. That means we are conducting the campus recruitment trainings in a phased manner. Phase 1, basic problem solving skills and advanced problem solving skills in phase 2, complex problem solving skills in phase 3. By the result of these 3 phases of campus placement training, students are getting high quality packages, medium packages, and a good decent packages they are also getting with the help of our campus recruitment training. We are the one who established the placement offices across the country. We have a team which works very closely with the industry, and they will get back to us with the syllabi, what is required for the industry. We are mapping with a project based learning. That is the one good quality where students are getting a quality placements.